Alright, so I got the old one out. My video keeps ending. Here's the old one. Now we're just gonna get those wires that are still connected on and put them to the screws, and hopefully. Alright, so I just got myself confused. There's a wire I took off here, white at the top, pink at the bottom. And there must have been two going into this bottom one right there, because I didn't take the other ones off yet. So that's what's left. And I think white at the top, pink at the bottom, but it went to the top of it, you know. And then those three I still didn't do. So, okay, take a breather. Alright, so taking them off one by one, I have to tighten this one up more. I got two more wires. If this thing don't work, I'm going to be so depressed. We had so many problems. Okay, one left. Second one down. Yeah, what I just did. Okay. The old one's out. Put that over there. They're all hooked up. Hopefully it got tight enough. I don't know. There's probably a ground or some crap, and then just get it right up there, and I can't. Okay. Get those plastic pieces. We need new plastic pieces, but I can't do it as I'm showing you. It went a minute ago up high. Now what's the problem? Just effing reaches. It just effing reaches the holes. See that right there? Okay. So, temporarily, just probably run this back through the back side. Don't know if it'll reach. Let's see, it'll come down this way. I don't even know. There goes the flashlight. I don't know how men deal with this shit. Okay, might reach now down there. Put it up, which I have to fiddle with some crap. Where is the damn thing now? Okay, no, it ain't going around the two white wires. That is the biggest problem, if you ask me. Alright. Oh my God in heaven. I don't know how men do this. I don't know how anybody does this. Alright, let's see. Okay, we have to come around. I already did that. Alright, 1 second. So I don't know, I think it's in. Just gotta get the pins to get it back up and just move those couple of things. It's just fucking reaching. Move a couple more wires. I'm not gonna do that now though.